Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see that the gold price is moving in this particular range since a month. Okay, if you look at from 2021 also, it is moving in this particular range. Okay, and the range low is at around 1678 and a high it has made it at around 1908. So what we can see here that the price, if we look at a narrow range from September, if we look at it, it made a high of around 1834 and made a low of around 1719. Okay, so as of now what we can see, if we look at the trend is moving down. Okay, if you can see the trend is moving down. Now it has tried to move up. Okay, so it made a low of around 1721 and from there it is moving up, and if you look at this chart clearly, then now it is moving in a particular range. Okay, so what I wanted to tell you is that before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video of this gold technical so that you will see that how this technical is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, look at the chart, and those who want to attend my workshop, you can mail me and can attend the workshop, and in doubt also you can mail me. See, look at this chart. If you look at this chart, we can see there is some pattern is forming, and once this pattern breaks upside, then we can see there can be a sharp movement in the price of gold. Suppose if now we have seen that it is moving in this particular range. Okay, suppose if the price stays above this, chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1767. Okay, if the price move upside, then we can see yes, it can go and touch a level of 1788 because, and this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can go further upside to a level of 1798. Okay, and once this level 1798 is touched, then there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 1808. And once 1808 is touched, and if you look at this chart, what we have seen that 1808 is already tested twice, so chances will be very high it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1821. And once 1821 is touched, then there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 1836, and 1836 already tested twice, so chances will be very high it can go further upside to a level of 1854. Okay, and once the price above 1845, then chances will be very high, because this is the price where 1845 is a very crucial price where the price of gold is taking a strong resistance as well as support. If the price goes above this level, you can check my previous videos where I've already told you that if the price goes up, where it can go, but there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 1859. After that it can go and touch a level of 1877, and then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1900 also. Okay, suppose if the price didn't go above level of this what is trading now 1761, and then chances are high if it goes down, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1757. If the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1747, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1734. Suppose if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1721, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1714. Okay, once the price goes comes around 1714, then we can see yes, it can go and touch a level of 1698, and once this level comes 1698, then I've already told you that there is a probability that it can go and break can cross a level of 1678. Okay, and once it come close to 1678, then probability is there it can go and touch a level of 1658. Okay, and once 1658 is touched, then there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 1637, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1600. Once the price comes close to this level, and if it goes below this level, you can check my previous video I have already made, where if the price goes below a level of 1657, where it can go. Okay, so but these are all my personal view. Please consult financial advisor before investing or trading. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.